Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and this is a live account, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this particular account, Signal Group. They just sent some, man, the signals are on fire. I want to show you this. You took all these signals off of our simplicity system, and I'm going to go to our history, and as you can see, I'm going to the last 3 months. Which is, and I'm showing you everything because it hasn't been 3 months. I only had deposited $3 grand into this account last week. Okay, last week I put in $3,000, and these are the trades I've taken on it so far. I've already sent out videos showing proof on the US 30 and so forth and so forth. But here goes some more profit, as you can see. So now you can clearly see the balance is up to almost $7,000. And by the way, in addition to that, the AUD, JPY, and the gold trade or signals that I sent out to the signals group, and you can see I actually take the trades that I actually tell everybody in the signals group. On my other account, the NZD CAD is a trade I took, but this is just an account to show you that this is live. Again, live account. Started with $3,000 deposit. As you can see, it says $3,000. And it was last week when I put that money in. These are the trades that have already closed out and won. As you can see at the top, it says current on that I've already closed out was $2,500 in profit. And then now you add on the running total here. You can currently see that the closed out balance was $5,500 and the running balance is at $6,800, close to $7,000. And I'm still holding on to these trades because they just began their journey. But again, this is using the simplicity system. So I'm showing you live proof. Okay, so there we are.